So this is what I would like you to do. Come by the time I see. I don't know what you listen on. You could be listening on your speakers. You could be listening on your headphones. But if you're like me and listening to your speakers, turn that shit up. Hey, Mina Keith. Yo, man, I've been working on this album for 2 years. And I can't wait to finally say it's over. You know, this is my first album, Mina Tsonga, and you know, it was fun, and at the same time it was challenging. You know, I didn't know how to mix. I was making a beat, but I took my time to make this shit happen.
Yeah, I smell fresh, I do.
Tubob record.
I smell fresh, you look neat, something I could need, I get again. I'm Mina Keith and I'm back again. I need to take him music, love, he could not Steven, I can have a second day. I'm getting down with me, past 2 years ago, it's just one, it's second, get it to Tubob, now it's the sun. So I'm balling up, got good ass. Trying to feel like loading in that area. I connect the fastest with area. Sing and taking in the fancy, I'm telling you. And I didn't get elastic, cause I never dwell like good. And you're not BF material. Look on in Ghana, BF, na shell you up. My run, a lot of mistake. I don't make shit, get me. I love you, no. Drop hella Anga, Tsamiseki. Anga, Tsamiseki, time I gotta check it funny on me.
I'm just so wrong.
Yeah. Baby, what do you mean? You only say sorry cause you know that cause you mean I won't get sweet on your mother sentence to come in. I hope I'm gonna show my well believe I'm a body. Baby, what do you mean? Yeah, let's talk about it. Why do you do this to me? Why only anybody? Nah, baby, hell no, I need good anybody. And the happiness to me. Everywhere I go, the break and go, you win, I own everybody.